Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's recipe is brought to you by my friends over at Israeli Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious two-tone slushie. It's half watermelon, half lemonade, and it's boozy. So it's refreshing, it's delicious, it's an adult version of a slushie, and I think you're really going to love it. But let me show you just to make sure. Okay, so our boozy slushie starts off with some ice. And because ice cubes can vary in size, whether you got them from the store, or you have an ice maker in your freezer, or you're just using ice cubes, you may have to adjust the liquid a little bit. So, add in more booze, whatever suits you. But just remember that when you're making this. We're gonna add in our drink mix, add in our sugar, add in our alcohol, and about half of the club soda. Let's go ahead and blend that. Oh, if you're wondering why we're dividing the club soda, it's because blending it all is gonna kill all those bubbles. And we want that effervescence. So mix in half just to get the stuff blended, and then the other part added afterwards to get those bubbles. Okay, so now we're gonna do the next flavor, which is watermelon. Add in my sugar. You can really do any flavor combo you want. Just do the light one first. By doing the lighter color first, you won't have to wash the pitcher. Add in my alcohol. Once again, half of the club soda, and let's go ahead and blend it. To serve, just add about half of the watermelon to each glass, and then top it off with the lemonade. How delicious does that look? So refreshing. It's a nice adult slushie, just to make it a little festive. Add a little lime wedge. That's it, right? Super easy. Like, you can do any flavor that you really want. Say you're not a watermelon lover, or you're not a lemonade lover, but if you're a boozy lover, then this is definitely the recipe you want to try. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment and let me know what you want to see. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.